This is one of 8 hands-on lab tasters from the AI Security Fundamentals course, and in the full course you'll run these attack scenarios yourself in a dedicated CoCalc environment. Week 4 is where we deliberately start breaking things. Building on your understanding of models in Week 2 and systems in Week 3, this week focuses on techniques to hack and manipulate both machine learning models and AI systems without touching the underlying code. As you scroll through the labs, you'll see realistic setups using annotated notebooks and .py files that expose real attack surfaces, prompt injection, indirect injection via retrieved context, policy framing attacks, privacy leakage, and multi-agent failures. Crucially, these attacks don't rely on bugs. They exploit interfaces, context, prompts, orchestration, and trust boundaries. That's how real AI incidents happen. Week 4 shows why AI security can't be solved with better prompts or safer models alone. It requires software guardrails, architectural separation, observability, and governance. By the end of this week, you'll start thinking like an attacker, and that's essential for building secure AI systems.